Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to 1 over 2 tan t. Because if I put this one gone here, we have 1 over 4 tan t square. Number 4 and number 4 we cancel. 1 plus tan t square we change for secant of t square, and later that we simplify by ds. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 1 over 2 secant of t square dt. So I will put this one gone here. ds that is about this one. And this one that is about 1 over 4 tan t square. So number 4 and number 4 we cancel. And this one that is about secant of t square. And now we need to simplify it, and we got 3 over 2. The integration of this one, we have 3t over number 2, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one, so I will put number 2 go to the left. And now we can find the value of t, that is about octane of 2s. And then we need to change the value of t into this one. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.